In this guide, you will learn how to fix bad Bluetooth audio in Valorant. Let's get started. Launch Sound Settings. Click on the speaker icon given at the bottom right of your window. Select the option Sound Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. A new window will pop up. Click on the Recording tab at the bottom and find the Bluetooth headphones you are using. Right-click on them and select Properties. Next, click Properties again. Then go to the Driver tab. Here's an important note. After you do this, you won't be able to use your headphones microphone anymore. If you need your headset mic, don't continue with this step. However, if you're using a separate microphone, keep following along. Now click Disable Device. By disabling the headphone mic, Windows stops switching your Bluetooth headphones into low quality mode, allowing you to get clear, high quality audio, which is exactly what you need for Valorant. Remember, this fix works if you don't need your headset mic. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.